So this is the Lontor 7 inches mini fan. So it's a rechargeable fan from Lontor or Lontor or however you want to call it. And the aim of me buying this fan is just to like use it for recording. So I needed something that I could use as an option for ventilation when I'm making videos. So the idea is this: I do not want a fan or any system that would be noisy. So this is what actually came to my mind, and I decided to buy it. But this would be my first time of buying this, so I wanted to talk about it and tell you what I think, so that you can see if it's going to help you or not, or if it's even going to help me. So the first thing to know is that these fans, Lontor has a lot of them, all right? But this one is 7 inches, and again, I'm going to tell you why I like this one, or why I decided to buy this one. And right here it says it's rechargeable. It says the maximum working hour is 6 hours, all right? And the battery capacity is 2400 milliamps, and it can be adjusted up to 180 degrees, and it has soft night lights, and then the battery is flash charged. That means that the battery charges fast. So I personally have not used this before, but I hope that they stick to what they are saying here. So right here you have more information about this fan. It tells you like how to switch it. Like if you press there are some buttons here. So it tells you that one is to turn it on, and the other one is to check the power gauge. Talks about the recharge cycle is 500 times. The LED type is 6SMD. I don't know all these things. I don't know what they mean. So the battery maintenance, charge the battery 5 hours before first use. So the seller actually asked me to charge it for 4 hours, but seeing it here is quite refreshing to know. So I'm just going to use this briefly because again, I've not opened it. I just got it, but I'm not going to do a full test of this. So I might just make another video where we'll talk about this properly. So let me just open it, and we'll see what's inside. So this is basically all we have got: a fan and this very poor cable. This cable is actually quite poor and is white. I don't like white cables, and it's not even type C. It's the old USB or whatever they call it these days. So this is already a fail for me. I'm not going to use this. All right. So this is the fan itself. And like I said, the goal is to have something that can give me ventilation when I'm recording. So it doesn't like add any noise, or it doesn't have noise at all. So this is the fan. This is it says here that the voltage is DC 5 volts. The maximum input power is 9 watts. So this is a 9 watts fan, and that's it. That's just it. It has 2 buttons here. So this is the lights. So it has a light here. I hope you can see the lights. And this is the battery indicator, and then this is the fan. So the fan can actually go to 4 speeds. And yeah, let's talk about why I actually like this one, because when I went to get it, there was this other one called the Cami Safe or something like that. So but that one you could not turn this way. You could not rotate it this way. You could not rotate it this way, which is quite can be important, or that was actually what made me buy this one. That was what sold me to this. So I'm going to like do a detailed battery test, because they said I have to charge it for like 5 hours. I want to obey them, so I'm going to charge this for 5 hours. And if you're interested in the follow-up video, then you should just basically subscribe to this YouTube video or to this YouTube channel. My name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Also, if you've used this this stuff before, you can just tell us how well it works. And they said I should charge it for 5 hours, but it doesn't come with a charger, so I'll have to use my own charger, and I'm going to set a timer to make sure that we charge it to 5 hours.